10 good things about your day that you didn't realize were good. 1. There was no traffic this morning. You got there 10 minutes early and you didn't feel rushed. 2. Someone held the door for you when you were far enough behind them that they didn't need to feel like they had to. 3. You got your grade back and you did a lot better than you thought you did. 4. They had warm soup in the cafeteria. 5. You made eye contact with a stranger and they smiled instead of looking away. 6. You slept well last night. 7. You talked to the girl next to you in line and found out she loves reading books. 8. Your teacher complimented you on your writing. 9. Out of all the hundreds of songs in your music library, one of your old favorites came up on shuffle. 10. And you woke up to witness it all. Life happens while you're busy trying not to notice it. Haven't said your thanks? Pause for a prayer now.